Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of installing Windows on your laptop. So let's get started.
So first, power on your laptop and open the boot menu. So on most devices, you can do this by pressing keys like F12, F2, or delete right after turning it on. So from here, select your USB drive or installation device. So once the system detects your installer, Windows Setup will begin to load. This may take a few moments depending on your device.
Windows will now begin copying and installing the required system files. This part can take anywhere from several minutes to over an hour depending on your hardware. Just wait and let the process continue.
So after installation completes, your laptop will restart automatically. Don't press any keys when it reboots. Just let it continue booting.
When the installer opens, choose your language, region, and keyboard settings. Next, click Install Now select your version of Windows, and agree to the license terms. For a clean installation, choose Custom Installation. Pick the drive you want to install Windows on and click Next.
You'll now be taken to the Windows Setup page, where you can create your account, choose your settings, and finish final configuration. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows on your laptop. If this helped you, feel free to share or save this tutorial. Thanks for watching.